Yes. Something has happened to the nightingale. It made the most peculiar noises and then stopped singing.
Noises? What sort of noises?
First there was a ding, then sort of a whir,
How strange.
and there was a clunk.
Clunk. Anything else?
It ended with a whiz-bang snap.
That can't be good.
Physician, can you help?
I'm afraid not. I don't have any kind of medicine for this.
Townspeople, perhaps we can do something?
After a great deal of talking and examination, the bird was put into something like order, but he said that it must be used very carefully as the barrels were worn, and it would be impossible to put in new ones without injuring the music. Now, there was great sorrow, as the bird could only be allowed to play once a year, and even that was difficult for the works inside it. Then the music master made a little speech full of hard words and declared that the bird was as good as ever, and of course, no one contradicted her.